Hi everybody! Today we're gonna make banana bread muffins. So here are the ingredients that you'll need. You'll need 1 egg, 3 bananas, some fat-free yogurt, some milk, vanilla essence, baking powder, salt, oats and some dark chocolate. If you don't like dark chocolate, you can use milk or white chocolate. You will need 2 bowls. You're going to need an adult to help you to preheat the oven, and when you're putting the muffins in the oven and taking it out of the oven as well. So if you first preheat the oven to 200 degrees, get your two bowls, one for wet ingredients and one for dry ingredients. Okay, so in there I mashed up 3 bananas, an egg, some yogurt, which was 150 grams worth of yogurt, some vanilla essence and 85 grams of honey. If you don't like honey, you can use maple syrup, golden syrup, it's up to you. And then in here, if you can see carefully, I have blitzed up some oats. This is 200 grams of oats with some cinnamon. It was 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, then it was 1 teaspoon of baking powder and some salt. And the next step now is to add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients and then to fold it. You might need an adult or a carer to help you do this. And then you need to chop up 100 grams of your chocolate of your choice, put it in the mixture, fold it again or stir it again, and then you need to put it in your lined muffin tray. Okay, so I have chopped up 100 grams of dark chocolate and mixed it into the mixture. Then I've spooned out the mixture into this muffin tray that I've lined. As you can see, with the leftover dark chocolate, I've then gone and sprinkled it on top, and this recipe definitely makes way more than 12 muffins because I still have some more mixture left in the bowl. This is where you're going to need an adult now, because the next step is to put it into the preheated oven that was supposed to be preheated at 160 degrees. And then you just need to put a timer on for 15 minutes to let it cook. If you think it needs a little bit longer, you can cook it for a little bit longer. When you're taking it out, just get your adult or your carer to do that, and then let it cool for about 5 minutes, and then you can enjoy. Okay everybody, so these actually took around 20 minutes in the oven to bake. I put a timer on for 15 minutes first and then tested to see if it was cooked in the middle by poking a knife in the middle of the cake, or you can do this with a toothpick. Just make sure you get your adult to do that. And you can see I've just taken them out of the oven. I'm going to leave them to cool for 5 minutes, and then you can either have them as breakfast or as a snack.